It's easy for Evangel students to quickly find their place on campus through EU's wide variety of campus organizations. Mariah built lifelong relationships through her involvement at Evangel. We can't wait to hear all about it. It's all yours, Mariah.
Thanks, Alex. I am so happy to be here. If you would have told me years ago that I would end up in Springfield, Missouri, living my best life, I wouldn't have believed you. During my senior year of high school, I had no idea where I wanted to go next. But right here and right now, I can't imagine being anywhere else. Evangel University made it so easy to acclimate to college life. At EU, you can't turn a corner without finding a community to join. Of course, there are academic communities. As a marketing major, I've experienced amazing camaraderie in the business department. As for extracurricular involvement, one of my favorite organizations is Activities Board, or as we like to call it, AB. AB's job is to cultivate community through campus-wide events. Each semester, AB hosts a variety show in a historic venue in downtown Springfield, featuring live music, sketch comedy, creative videos, and a huge costume contest. As an AB member, I even had the opportunity to create a unique event with my team. If you are someone who loves making people feel at home, then AB is the place for you. But the fun doesn't stop there. Community engagement goes far beyond annual traditions. Whether you are walking down the sidewalk or hanging out in your dorm room, Evangel community can be found all across campus. Your peers become your pals, and your friends become your family. I can't begin to express how God has used Evangel to impact my life. At EU, you don't just walk away with a degree. You walk away empowered and equipped to make a global impact. If you choose EU, know that a life of love and belonging is waiting for you. See you at our next event. Take it away, Alex.
Thank you, Mariah, from joining the Student Investment Group, which manages a more than $1 million portfolio on Wall Street, to traveling with the Heart Song Worship Team, or to throwing campus-wide events with Activities Board. There is a place for you on this campus right here at Evangel. Thanks again, Mariah.